Ever feel like you're wasting your life at the airport? You're not alone. Many of us have been there, staring at the clock, wondering why we arrived so early. The 2-hour rule has been ingrained in us for years, but is it really necessary in this day and age? 2 hours early for a flight? Stuck in endless queues? Surrounded by stressed-out travelers? It's a scene we know all too well. The long lines at security, the hustle and bustle of the terminal, the constant feeling of being rushed yet waiting endlessly. It's enough to make anyone dread the airport experience. Me too. That's why I ditched the archaic 2-hour rule years ago. Instead of wasting time, I found ways to streamline my travel experience. It's all about being efficient and smart with your time. Why spend hours in a place that's designed to make you feel stressed and uncomfortable? It's a relic of the past, a time before smartphones and online check-in. Back then, arriving early was a necessity. But now, with technology at our fingertips, we can check in online, choose our seats, and even get real-time updates on our flights. The need to be at the airport hours in advance has diminished significantly. Let's be honest, nobody enjoys hanging out in airport purgatory. Those overpriced sandwiches, the anxiety-inducing loudspeaker announcements, the uncomfortable seating and the constant feeling of being in transit, it's not a pleasant way to spend your time. And don't even get me started on the overpriced food and drinks. It's like they know you're trapped and take full advantage of it. No thanks, there's a better way, a smarter way to travel. By planning ahead and using the tools available to us, we can minimize our time spent in the airport. Imagine arriving just in time, breezing through security, and heading straight to your gate without the stress and hassle. It's possible, and it's a game changer. It's time to reclaim those precious hours wasted in the name of just in case. Instead of sitting in a crowded terminal, you could be enjoying a coffee at a nearby cafe, spending time with loved ones, or even catching up on some much-needed rest. The possibilities are endless when you're not confined to the airport. It's time to travel like a pro. With a little bit of planning and the right mindset, you can transform your travel experience. Say goodbye to the outdated 2-hour rule and hello to a more relaxed, efficient, and enjoyable way to fly. After all, travel should be about the journey, not the waiting. Where did this arbitrary 2-hour rule come from? It's a question that has puzzled many travelers as they sit in crowded terminals, waiting for their flights. The idea of arriving at the airport 2 hours before a domestic flight and 3 hours before an international one seems almost like a ritualistic practice. But have you ever wondered why this rule exists in the first place? Back in the dark ages of travel, think pre-internet, pre-mobile phones, things were different. The process of air travel was far more cumbersome and time-consuming. There were no online check-ins, no mobile boarding passes, and certainly no apps to alert you of gate changes or delays. Travelers had to rely on physical tickets and paper itineraries, which were easy to lose or misplace. Checking in for a flight was an ordeal. Security lines were unpredictable. You could never be sure how long it would take to get through security, and the process itself was much less streamlined than it is today. The lack of technology meant that everything took longer, from checking in to boarding the plane. And let's not even talk about the chaos of paper tickets. Losing a ticket could mean missing your flight entirely, and there was no easy way to reprint or retrieve it. The entire system was fraught with potential pitfalls, making the 2-hour rule a necessary buffer against the unpredictability of air travel. The 2-hour rule was born out of necessity, a safety net for the unprepared traveler. But times have changed. With the advent of digital technology, many of the old challenges have been mitigated. Online check-ins, digital boarding passes, and real-time flight updates have made the process much more efficient. Technology has revolutionized the way we travel. Self-service kiosks allow passengers to check in and print their boarding passes without waiting in long lines. Biometric security checks have sped up the security process, making it quicker and more reliable. Mobile apps provide real-time updates on flight status, gate changes, and even baggage claim information. So why are we still clinging to this outdated rule? Perhaps it's a matter of habit. Or maybe it's a way to ensure that even the most technologically challenged travelers have enough time to navigate the airport. Whatever the reason, it's clear that the 2-hour rule is a relic of a bygone era, one that may no longer be necessary in our modern tech-savvy world. Let's break it down. What are you actually doing for those 2 hours? Checking in online takes 5 minutes tops. Security lines vary, but even at peak times rarely exceed an hour. That leaves you with a whole hour to kill, an hour that could be spent productively, enjoyably, or even just relaxing at home. Instead, you're trapped in a consumerist purgatory, tempted by overpriced snacks and duty-free deals. Ready to escape the 2-hour time warp? Traveling can be stressful, but with the right strategies, you can make it a breeze. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, these tips will help you navigate the airport like a pro. Here's how. Embrace technology. Online check-in, mobile boarding passes, and real-time flight updates are your new best friends. Use airline apps to stay updated on gate changes, delays, and even to track your luggage. Technology can save you a lot of time and hassle. Pack light. Carry-on only means no baggage claim queues. This not only saves you time but also reduces the risk of lost luggage. Invest in a good quality carry-on bag that fits all your essentials. Remember, the less you carry, the easier it is to move around. Less to lug around, less stress. A lighter load means you can navigate through the airport more swiftly and comfortably. Plus, you'll have everything you need within reach, making your travel experience more enjoyable. Become a security pro. Know the drill. Familiarize yourself with the security procedures to avoid any last-minute surprises. This includes knowing what items are allowed in your carry-on and what needs to be checked. Liquids in a clear bag, laptop out, shoes off, sometimes. Being prepared can speed up the process significantly. Have your documents ready and be aware of the security regulations of the country you're traveling to. Speed and efficiency are key. The faster you get through security, the more time you have to relax before your flight. Practice makes perfect, so the more you travel, the better you'll get at it. Scout the lay of the land. Check airport maps beforehand. Knowing the layout of the airport can save you a lot of time. Familiarize yourself with the locations of gates, restrooms, lounges, and dining options. Locate gates, lounges, and amenities to minimize wasted time. This way you can plan your route and avoid unnecessary walking. Efficient navigation can make your airport experience much smoother and less stressful. Take advantage of airport amenities. Many airports offer a variety of services that can make your wait more pleasant. From comfortable lounges to good dining options, knowing what's available can enhance your travel experience. Stay connected. Use the airport's Wi-Fi to catch up on work, stay in touch with loved ones, or simply entertain yourself while waiting. Many airports also have charging stations, so keep your devices powered up. Keep moving. Long waits can be tiring, so take the time to stretch and walk around. This can help reduce stress and keep you energized for your journey. Bring entertainment. Whether it's a good book, music, or a movie, having something to do can make the wait time fly by. Plan ahead and download your favorite content before you get to the airport. Stay informed. Keep an eye on flight information screens and listen for announcements. Being aware of any changes can help you adjust your plans accordingly and avoid any last-minute rushes. Finally, board early if possible. This gives you time to settle in and ensures you have space for your carry-on. With these strategies, you can make your airport experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Happy travels! I'll admit I was skeptical at first, but then I had a tight connection at Heathrow, one of the world's busiest airports. I landed, navigated passport control, sprinted through the terminal, and made it to my gate with minutes to spare. The adrenaline rush was exhilarating, the sense of accomplishment immense, and the best part, I didn't waste hours of my life sitting in a departure lounge. The future is now technology to the rescue. Remember those sci-fi movies with teleportation? Well, we're not there yet, but technology is definitely shrinking airport wait times. Biometric screening, automated security checks, and predictive flight information are already being implemented. These advancements will make the 2-hour rule obsolete. But why wait? Start optimizing your travel time today. Kids, canines, and catastrophes. Planning for the unexpected. Of course, life throws curveballs. Traveling with kids? Factor in extra time for bathroom breaks, meltdowns, and the inevitable lost teddy bear. Flying with pets? Research airline regulations and allow ample time for check-in procedures. And always, always have a buffer for unexpected delays. Even the best-laid plans can go awry, but even with contingencies, you can still beat the 2-hour rule. Stop wasting your life in departure lounges. Think of all the things you could do with an extra 2 hours. Read a book, hit the gym, have a leisurely breakfast with loved ones. Don't surrender this precious time to the airport black hole. Reclaim your freedom. Become the master of your travel destiny. It's time to ditch the outdated 2-hour rule and embrace a smarter, more efficient way to fly. Your boarding pass to freedom, claim back your time. This is your call to action. Your permission slip to break free from the shackles of airport purgatory. On your next trip, I challenge you to question the 2-hour rule. Put these strategies into practice. You might be surprised at how much time you save, how much stress you avoid, and how much more enjoyable your travel experience becomes. Bon voyage and happy travels.